Excuse me, can you help me please?
Of course. What's the problem?
This washing machine doesn't work.
Oh, what did you do?
I put my clothes in and my soap, but it won't start.
Did you put money in?
Yes, I put in a dollar bill, but nothing happened.
Ah, I see. These machines don't take bills. They only take quarters.
Quarters? Oh no, I don't have any coins.
Don't worry. There's a change machine on the wall over there.
A change machine? That's wonderful.
Yes, you can put your dollar bills in and you will get quarters back.
Thank you so much. How many quarters do I need?
You need 12 quarters for one wash.
That's $3.
Okay, 12 quarters. Thank you for your help.
No problem at all. Are you new to this neighborhood?
Yes, I am. I just moved to Chicago from Mexico. My name is Elena.
Welcome. I'm Tom. It's nice to meet you, Elena.
Nice to meet you too, Tom. Using the laundromat is easy once you know how.
I am happy you were here to help me.
Excuse me, I'm a little lost. Can you help me?
I can try. Where are you trying to go?
I am looking for the main public library. My map app isn't working.
Oh, the big library on Jefferson Street? You are close.
That's good to hear. Can you give me directions?
Of course, it's pretty simple. We are on Park Avenue now.
Okay, Park Avenue. I see the sign.
You need to go straight down this street for 2 blocks.
Go straight for 2 blocks. Got it.
Then you will see a big bank at the corner. Turn right there.
So turn right at the bank.
Yes. After you turn right, walk for 1 more block.
Okay, 1 more block.
The library is a very large white building. You can't miss it.
A big white building. That sounds easy.
It is. It's a walk in the park from here.
How long will it take to walk there?
Maybe 10 minutes. It's not far at all. Good evening. Sorry to bother you.
Oh, hello. No problem. Is everything okay?
I wanted to talk to you for a moment.
Yes, of course. What is it?
Your music is a little loud.
Oh, is it? I'm sorry. I didn't realize.
I can hear it very clearly in my apartment.
I thought it was at a normal level.
I have to get up early for work tomorrow, and I need to sleep.
You've got a point. I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to disturb you.
Thank you for understanding.
Should I turn it down?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Okay, I will do it right now. Is this better?
Yes, that is much better. Thank you.
Sometimes I don't notice the noise.
I understand. The walls are very thin in this building.
That's true. Maybe I should use headphones.
That is a very good idea. Then you can enjoy your music and it's quiet for everyone else.
Yes, that is the perfect solution. Thank you for being so nice about it.
And thank you for telling me politely.
Well, good night.
Good night to you too.
Good morning. I'd like to make an appointment to see a doctor.
Good morning. Is this your first time at our clinic in Miami?
Yes, it is. I'm a new patient.
Okay, I can help with that. Can I have your full name, please?
Yes, it's Carlos Garcia.
Thank you, Mr. Garcia. And your date of birth?
March 15th, 1992.
Got it. What is the reason for your visit? Is it an emergency?
Oh no, it's not an emergency. I just need a general checkup.
I see. Let me check the doctor's schedule. When are you free?
I am free next week in the afternoon.
Okay. We have an opening next Tuesday at 2 p.m. Does that work for you?
Tuesday at 2 p.m. Yes, that is perfect for me.
Great. Do you have health insurance?
Yes, I do.
Please remember to bring your insurance card and a photo ID with you to the appointment. Good evening. I have a reservation for a room tonight.
Good evening. Welcome to the Grand Hotel in New York. What is your last name, please?
My name is Anna Petrova.
Thank you, Miss Petrova. Let me check the system. Ah, yes, I see it. A room for 2 nights.
That's right. Is my room ready now?
Yes, it is. We have a quiet room for you on the 5th floor with a city view.
That sounds lovely. Thank you. What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the restaurant on the 1st floor.
Okay. And is the
Excuse
Wi-Fi
me,
free? All the other tables are full. Is this chair free?
Yes, of course. Please, have a seat.
Thank you so much. It is very busy in here today.
My name is Maya.
I'm Alex. It's nice to meet you, Maya.
Nice to meet you too. Are you from around here? You seem to know the city.
I am. I grew up here in Seattle. What about you? I don't recognize your accent.
I am from South Korea. I moved here for my job about 6 months ago.
Welcome to Seattle. I hope you like it here.
I do. The people are friendly, but the rain is something new for me.
Yes, you have. Hello. Welcome to City Electronics. Are you looking for anything special today?
Hi, yes, I need to buy a new laptop. I am a little confused by all the options.
I understand. There are a lot of them. I can help. What will you be using it for?
It's for my studies. I'm a student at the University of Texas here in Austin.
Great. So you'll use it for writing essays, email, and browsing the internet?
Exactly, and maybe for watching movies sometimes.
Okay. Are you on a budget?
Yes, I am trying to find something that is not too expensive.
We have this model on sale this week. It's very popular with students. It's reliable and a very good price.
Oh, that sounds good. Is it heavy? I need to carry it to the campus every day.
No, it's very lightweight. You can hold it. See?
Wow, you're right. That's perfect. What about the battery?
The battery lasts for about 7 hours. It should be enough for your classes.
That's great. It seems to have everything I need. It's hard to choose.
I understand. But for your needs and budget, this one is your best bet.
Okay, I trust you. I will take this one.
Good morning, sleepyhead. Time to get up.
Morning. 5 more minutes. I feel like I just went to sleep.
No, it's already 7:30 a.m. I'm making coffee. Do you want some?
Yes, please. You are a lifesaver. What are we having for breakfast?
I was thinking of making pancakes. We have that new maple syrup.
Pancakes? That's a great idea. I'm really hungry.
Okay, can you get the milk and eggs out of the refrigerator for me?
Sure. Here are the eggs. Uh-oh.
What's wrong?
We have a problem. The milk carton is empty. I think I finished it yesterday.
Oh no, we can't make pancakes without milk.
Well, so much for that.
Hi there, can I help you with something?
Yes, please. I need to return this shirt. I bought it here on Saturday.
Of course. Is there a problem with it?
No, not at all. It was a gift for my brother, but he needs a different size.
I see, that happens. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, I have it right here.
Perfect, thank you. Let me see. Yes, everything looks fine. Would you like to exchange it for a medium size?
I would, but I checked on the sales floor and there are no more medium shirts in this color.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. I can check our computer system to see if we have one in the stock room.
Could you? That would be great.
Let me just take a look. I am sorry. It looks like we are completely sold out of that size.
Well, it is what it is. Can I get a refund instead?
Absolutely. I can process a full refund for you. You paid with a debit card, is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, I will return the money directly to your card.
How long does that usually take?
You should see the money back in your bank account in about 3 business days.
That's fine. Is there a form I need to fill out?
No, I just need you to insert your card into the machine here.
Okay, like this?
Perfect. All done. Here is your receipt for the return.
Thank you for making that so easy.
You're very welcome. I'm sorry the shirt didn't work out.
It's no problem. Have a good day.
Hi there. Welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hello, it's my first time here, so I need a minute to look at the menu.
Take your time. Let me know if you have any questions.
Thank you. Okay, I am ready. What is in the garden veggie sandwich?
That one comes with lettuce, tomato, cucumber, bell peppers, and onions.
Is there any cheese on it?
It usually comes with provolone cheese, but you can choose a different kind if you like.
No, provolone sounds perfect. I will have the garden veggie sandwich, please.
Excellent choice. And what kind of bread would you like for that?
What are my options?
We have white, whole wheat, or sourdough.
I will take the whole wheat, please. And can you toast it? Hi, neighbor. How are you?
Hi, I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. Hey, I think I have something for you.
Oh, really? What is it?
A delivery man left a package for you with me.
A package for me? That's great. I was waiting for it.
He said you are not at home.
Yes, I was at work all day.
No problem at all. I was happy to take it for you. Is it big?
Yes, it's a big box.
Then this is it. It's a little heavy.
Thank you so much for bringing it.
You're welcome. What did you order?
New shoes for running.
Oh, that's nice. Do you run a lot?
I try to go in the morning. Here is your package. Be careful.
Thank you. Did you have to sign for it?
Yes, I signed on a small machine.
Perfect. That's very kind of you.
It's good to help. We are neighbors after all.
That's true. If you ever need help, just ask.
Thank you. I will. Well, have a good evening.
You too. Enjoy your new shoes.
Thanks again. Bye.